Do you know the words? Oh. You can just put it on top. Thank y'all. Ooh, oh, y'all only got 2 TV trays? Yeah. I think I did some downstairs. So good in the hood. Nom, 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 nom. It's so cold. We should have went a little early. Thank you. Okay, for sure. We know. When it comes down to a free meal, oh, she gonna have it. Mm-hmm. Went to Longhorn, right? Yep. No, it's on the table. You need it? I want to throw the trash away. It's right there.
Yeah, make these crispy. Maya, is your pancakes crispy? Because I asked for crispy pancakes. Do I see y'all face? Go!
Oh.
Go!
Mama, them dogs don't be bothering you that yet. So where you have to shoot them away?
Because y'all want them to be eating the same thing like sandwich like that.
I'll give them a piece of little sausage.
A little piece of little sauce.
Yeah.
This waffle good.
That's what I'm saying. Everything is good.
Man. Oh, y'all better go. Trying to come over here. It's really Zoe.
Now you starting to holler. Zoe, I said I'll give you a piece of little sausage.
Okay, so now we know who the problem is.
Here.
That one.
Maya,
Yes,
don't
Mama.
feed them.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Now that's what I'm talking about.
They gave me 3 pancakes.
Would y'all believe me and say, literally last week I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube?
Yeah. I've seen it.
You did?
Yeah.
Where you seen that?
Where else did I see it?
You're lying. You're lying right now.
How am I lying?
I hit 1,000, not 100,000. It's a big difference.
You posted it.
I hit 1,000, not 100,000.
You posted it.
It's 1,000 or not 100.
You said you seen 100,000. I didn't post 100,000. You're a liar.
Maybe she just didn't hear you when you said 100 and didn't differentiate between the 1,000.
100,000.
But I seen it.
She said she only posted 1,000, not 100.
Like, why are you...
What?
Why are you trying to play
What?
chess right now? I seen it. Jesus Christ.
Look at that baby. Look.
This is my mom's favorite TV show.
Oh, you want to sing that song again for me?
What's up?
Oh, no. No, the song that you just made up.
You need to go. I'm about to remix it for you.
Okay.
You better wash them clothes. Go down the stairs, up down the steps, and wash them clothes before Big T get home. You need to go. You need to go. You need to get your clothes and take them downstairs to wash. But them in a cycle. Put them in a cycle. And we got 2 types. Laundry detergent for you.
Okay.
And we got dryer sheets.
Oh.
And we got fabric softener.
Oh.
We got color bleach. Go.
Oh.
Go wash your clothes. You don't want the clothes before Betty get home.
I'm done, bro. I just with you, bro. Jesus.
Back up off of me.
Y'all got color bleach too?
We got everything for you.
Y'all really do. Y'all got everything. Mm. Y'all got everything. That's what I'm talking about.
Go wash them clothes before Betty get home. Go wash your clothes. Go wash your clothes before Betty. Damn, I'm resting.
Bro, oh God, bro. That's how I was just chilling, and all of a sudden I was putting on it. She put it in my face, but then Zoe came. I was like, God damn, Shush! Dang.
Why haven't I heard nothing about Buddy? He still got arthritis.
What?
Buddy, what's his name?
Toby?
Oh, Toby, sorry.
What?
Why I just watch a video you put Buddy in a bag? Talk about some you need to get in your bag, Buddy.
No. Bro, what? I said you need to get in your bag.
It's time for you to get in your bag, yeah.
What?
He said he put him in the corner at the party.
What?
Auntie Sunny go put DJ in the corner at the birthday party.
Bro, what?
Zoe, why are you sleeping like you dead? Can you stop that weird stuff?
Can you chill out on her, please?
Sleep regular. Come on.
She is.
No, she's laying like she's dead.
Like, what?
I didn't
Look
expect
at Anyways, y'all, I'm not doing this to just, creating content. It's the same thing I do literally every freaking day.
AJ's boobies look good.
And I'm recording a video right now.
Hey!
Yeah.
Back when we all liked each other and get it. Well, we still argue, but.
Anyways, like I was saying, I'm
Okay.
sitting here.
Yeah.
Creative. Hello. Excuse me. I'm doing something over here. You might turn that down. Girl, I would launch this iPad at your head. You and them dogs. Thank you. Anyways, this is the content that I'm currently creating right now. This is a 9-second video for anybody who was wondering. Just my little black astronaut lady. Go! Oh my God.
Why are you hollering?
Like, can you be quiet for 2 seconds? You have not shut up since.
Sorry. I am in the comfort of my home. If you want
Jesus,
to
I do not
go
care.
somewhere
I
else.
do not care. I don't care. Like, do you ever be quiet? Jesus. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my clothes. I'm gonna go wash my clothes downstairs, away from this hoodlum. Away from those hoodlums. Let's just watch her. What's she doing in that phone? Oh, look at that. So cute.
Like, let me turn my brightness down.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn mine up so I can see. That's it. I'm just gonna turn it up. Yeah, cause we girl, you trying to be under the cover like I just can't move the phone over. Move it over a little bit that way.
But watch this.
Move it over a little bit that way.
Nah, you can't see nothing. Since you want to get on my nerve. You had your nose pierced?
Duh.
You still got it pierced?
No. This is my bag that I brought with me to wash my clothes. So let's go. We're going to go down in the basement. Down in the basement. Down in the basement. Hold on here. Down in the basement. Oh, Jesus. Jeez. Hey, why it's dark down here? Maya! Why it's dark? Girl, not you got a little nail studio down here. Ooh! Look at you in your little nail studio. Girl, you got shit everywhere. Which one is the washer? Y'all got 1,000 of them. Huh? The one that's open? Huh? Alright, cool. The one that's open. Are you sure? Are you sure, bro? And the light don't even work. Yeah, we use some of this. We got options. You got this one. TT got some of that Lysol sanitizer. What's this one? I think this one empty a little bit. I think this one might be my ass. Girl, that's empty. Ooh, little dry sheet. She was right. Y'all got some dry sheets. You was right. No, we're gonna use this one though. All right, bet. TT said don't use her Lysol, so don't use her Lysol. Don't lose it. Oh boy, hold on. How you get this mug open? I know I have some of this, but I don't think mine's have a scent. Hold on, let's get her open. Yeah, this is the blue one. Mine's is clear. Mine's is clear. Let's figure out how you work this mug. Should be pretty simple. Super, warm, okay, and just go ahead and turn it to something. Quick wash? Regular, normal. Let's do normal. Let's do heavy. What's heavy? Is heavy 15 minutes? What happened to the thing? Let's try that. 15 minutes? I hope so. Oh man. Let's turn it around again. Maya! Do we gotta go on a certain one or it don't matter? Do it have to go on a certain one or it don't matter? Alright. She said it don't matter. So we're gonna put it on heavy and pull. Boom. Please remove protective coating. What protective coating? This thing is so dusty. It's so dusty. Whatever. We'll wait. I put my hat back on because it got a little cold there. I just heard the heat cut on. But I'm gonna put a timer on for 15 minutes. And yeah, I'm gonna come back and check out my clothes. I gotta wash one more because I got a sheet in there and some towels. They need to be washed. So yeah. I'm trying to figure out how this jump rope works. So this is one of Monty has. You know, I guess it count. I don't know. Anyways, I'm here messing around. Ow! 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 Something in my foot. Jesus, remember when you had a nail in your foot? Let's see. What are we talking about? Show my love for you. Can I show my love for you? Beep, 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 beep. I don't really know how to make y'all be able to see that. Oh, I guess that's how you clear. Okay, time, C, L, I don't know. I'm gonna put her stuff up.
What's my guy, my 3?
Scroll across the top of the timeline here, you can resize it so you can see thumbnail for that Great Forest clip. And watch when the Great Forest clip begins.
No, but I know some people just be like, oh, that's my fetish, because that's my 3, that's my like.
You can almost imagine that this blue mark at the top of the playhead is...
Where did she order the stuff from? Was it for some reason? Oh my god, that's how they get you for this expensive kind of popcorn. Watch, I feel like it's not gonna be the same. It is. It's not. Wait. Oh, it is.
It's the same popcorn?
Yes. Only 2 bags?
It's the same popcorn?
Yeah.
She got 2 of the same bags of popcorn.
No, only 1.
Dang.
Oh.
It's only 2 bags?
No, it's 3. Okay, she got 3 different ones.
Wait, I want to try that one.
This one?
What is that?
Easy peasy caramel cheesy.
Let me see. Oh, same popcorn.
Different look.
What's that?
Let's look at this faker. Look.
Girl, Mom,
Hey, look. Now you want to try to water. You gotta look.
Mom, she keeps saying my booty's fake.
Don't try to see y'all again. My dog typed up for no reason.
Move! Stop recording him! And get that camera.
You think because of barriers, because they want to be snatching cameras and stuff. Jesus. Go ahead. Put it.
Let me tell you.
They be like, they be looking for me.
Let me tell you something. You better get that camera out of my face. And I'm a
You got to let go of the camera, lady, okay? Please. This be the cameraman, too. They be like... Girl, why is that boo all raggedy already? You don't be using it? What?
Who don't? Girl, use this faithfully. What are you talking about? I've been in it for about 2 weeks.
Have you?
Yes. I wear it here and there. One day, I walked to my lash appointment. I'm laying on the table mid-sleep. I'm like, wait. Why did I forget my boot?
Exactly. Thank you.
I saw my trainer. She said, oh, did you now? Yep, baby, I forgot it.
Yeah.
I don't care.
And you're putting it on now.
Because we about to be walking for more than 5 minutes.
And your last appointment was more than 5 minutes. You're lying.
I was laying
You're
on
lying.
I was laying on the table, you dingbat.
You're lying.
It don't take nothing to be smart.
Yeah, and that's just something that you don't have.
No, you.
Just something you don't.
Right. No, you. Right.
What is in the belly? Ooh, what you got? What you got? What you got? Look. Potato teasers. What's that?
Double.
Oh, double. Big buddy.
Wait a minute.
And a California. I got a California too. I got a.
You saw me coming, you should have moved out my way. And the boy was waiting for, like, oh, I'll be here when you do. I probably would have talked too, but okay, go ahead.
I got 2 Californias.
You would have beat his ass right then.
And a fish sandwich.
So that's what you saw when you saw him standing there. That was him waiting on the boy to come out. Okay.
And a California.
I just don't understand how good this is.
Gotta be from Akron. I really wouldn't recommend working at McDonald's to nobody, actually. Galley Boy's come with this. You be eating an olive? I don't know. I haven't had one in a long time. No, girl, no.
Well, I mean, the boy put his hands on him. He gotta get beat up. Yeah, he definitely waited. He probably had to get this up. I need to describe him. I need to put him. I need to.
I ain't gonna lie, these Galley Boys look way smaller than they did before. Like, way smaller.
Anthony. What? And he told, wait a minute. Oh, y'all fuck with him. Hey, he's 5'9", 120 pounds. He told the boy I'll be here when you get out and start working with him. Oh, I fuck with him. I fuck with him. I fuck with him. Because for sure, I thought he was about to tell me on the gas and be on the phone. So he's as thin as Maya, but taller. And Maya's not, but Maya's short though. Maya's not 35, but Maya's like 5'3".
Wait, what?
Oh, you're not? Why? Oh, maybe they put their hands on him. It still ain't started though. Well, I mean, the story match what he was doing. You seen him waiting. Up at you.
They're jalapeno. Caesar's.
Jalapeno poppers, they get it different.
They get it mixed up. And I think the poppers are god awful. They should stop selling those.
I don't know if I've ever had their poppers.
No, I'm talking about in general.
Oh, I love jalapeno poppers.
I can't.
Have you? Which ones do you eat? But you don't really like cheese. I like them. They good with orange cheese, but I like them with cream cheese.
When they fry and then you bite into it and it's a pepper. No, that's not what
That's a stuff. That's stuffed pepper. A popper. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't like them.
Yeah.
I love them.
And I be knowing like
Church's Chicken got them. Oh, Church's Chicken be fire. They probably be fire because they fry them in the same grease they fried okra and everything else.
Ooh, I got some okra before I leave. That okra's so good.
Man, I was thinking it was
I hope that Church's Chicken never closed. I hope it never closed.
Which one? They got a new one?
No, the same one over here on Crofton.
Did they put Bojangles down here?
Oh, Bojangles? What?
I
don't know if I heard. I don't know if I heard.
She go faking it again. Like, yeah.
Girl, about to piss me off. Get like back up away from me.
What's wrong?
I want you to do that.
But the camera isn't on you.
I had a vision of me grabbing you by your hand and whacking you like you was off the street.
Oh, what?
Yeah, keep recording that side.
Oh. What?
Yeah, and you gotta get this.
Easter.
And you gotta get that thing before it's off of sale.
Oh. It don't look like you need that boot, sweetie.
The boot is helping.
It don't look like you need that boot.
Mad. Baby, we're 20 and 22. What you?
Yeah, no, that's not what they're doing.
Who are you talking to?
It's on the phone, boo boo.
I'm talking to Shanice.
Get this on camera. You looking? You gonna beat up on me?
No, actually, I'm not. No, Maya, some of your hair came out. Maya, some of your hair came out. You gotta come get this. You got to come get this. You got to tell myself, Girl, who are you? Who are you? All right, y'all.
Maybe I was trying to help you look for that something.
It's okay.
Where my mama go?
Yeah, because don't play with it. 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 Don't. Wait, y'all, auntie, I need help because the iPad, the cases, I need a 10th generation and we really can't figure it out. Oh my God, bro. So you better keep it cute, all right.
Ain't cute enough. You better walk it. Walk. I beat you like they beat your ancestors.
Whoa! Whoa! Auntie, do you hear your daughter back here being racist, bro?
Not racist.
She is. I don't know what it is, but she said she gonna beat me like they beat my ancestors.
Oh, that's not racist.
That's pretty bad.
What'd you say?
She didn't have to use that. She didn't have to use that with me. It's on J4, I think. Down that way. Yeah, all the way down. I got you. Ow! I was moving out the way. Beating me for no reason, and that thing hurt. Oh, Lord. Okay, I'm just gonna. Titi, did you ever sell the TV?
Sell my TV.
Remember the one that you won at the bar?
Oh no, I just put it up.
Where?
In my room.
Oh, look at you.
Where they at?
Right here.
Girl, you're not paying all this money for this?
Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. It costs like $40 and stuff.
That one is for $20. Look okay.
I need a little bit of grip. Something that's gonna make sure it stay in my stand. TT, didn't you tell her to put that down?
I did.
She still has it.
Well, I've been living my
I'll
life.
take it. I'll take it. I'll go ahead and take that from her. Go ahead, try to get that. Miss, I got on a boot. Look at her. Thirsty.
Stop it. Stop it. I don't.
She don't listen. Oh my God.
So you stopping.
Yours is the iPad. Is it a Pro?
10. It's a 10. No, I don't know. It's a 10. What's this thing right here? Oh, this is a small one. This little rubber thing. You got a 5 and you think 5 and below help?
I don't know if they have them for what you need.
$400 for 70-inch?
Yeah, TVs ain't that much no more. Come on.
Hello?
TVs ain't that much no more.
Oh, Walmart.
$400.
You said they used to be $4,000.
Maya, I bought a 32-inch during Black Friday for $300.
What?
Yeah, 32-inch.
Bro, what? My mom paid $100 for my 32-inch.
Because they're not, when they first were coming out, people, flat screens, like when you went over
Yeah.
people's houses, if they had flat screens, you knew they had money because they were expensive. Now everybody has flat screens because that's the only type of TV. You know what I mean? You don't see big box TV. So,
Because if so, I sure enough would have me a big box. With your big fat.
Can you back up away from me? 50 feet.
Girl, this is America. It's a free country. I can do whatever I want to.
But America,
I will trip you.
and I will.
You're not gonna do that because you're gonna fall.
But, so,
Oh.
you want to.
What did I just say?
What's the issue? What's the issue? I already put everything down. I've been put everything down.
She looks like those glasses on her face.
I'm about to beat both y'all. Go.
No, she won't. Both of us support clearly. Yeah, I was hoping she hit the back of the ankles. Which way are we going? Okay.
You don't need to have all that bass in your voice, mama.
Y'all think I can get out this though with these? I'm sorry, but I gotta press charges, auntie. Because she just smacked the back of my head. I got to. I'm talking about she made a little braid. She made a couple braids fly up. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to jail.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Son, I deal up on the PJ and hopped out of Persian. Could suck a bitch toe. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah. Oh yeah, slapping rap bitches and making bail. Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. I'm out here in Miami, looking for the hoochie daddy. Where the niggas that get ratchet? My son.
See you later, Bookie.
I'm trying to get my coochie stretched. Yeah. I'm trying to get my coochie stretched. Yeah. You know them dreadheads do it the best.